Welcome to the Explainer. It's kind of funny. If you look around, almost every AI agent tutorial out there stops at the exact same point. You build a simple, stateless chatbot, it works great for a quick 5-minute demo, and that's it. But taking that basic proof of concept and actually scaling it into a reliable, multi-day enterprise workflow, well, that is a massive challenge. And it's exactly what we're going to conquer today. Because here's the brutal truth of AI development. Real enterprise workflows simply do not wrap up in a single API call. Sure, building a quick Q&A bot is a breeze, but think about actual real-world business processes for a second. We're talking human resources onboarding, complex invoice disputes, or multi-stage sales sequences. These operations take days, sometimes literally weeks. They're filled with long pauses, human approval gates, and a whole lot of waiting around. Okay, let's dive into this. Why exactly do our standard stateless patterns just completely fall apart over these longer timelines? Well, the first culprit is context pollution. Over 2 weeks, your prompt just gets filled to the brim with irrelevant chatter and duplicated instructions, which causes the model to get confused about which step it's actually on. Next, you run into a token cost explosion. If you're replaying a massive conversation history for every single inference call, you are going to burn through your token budget incredibly fast. And finally, the absolute most dangerous issue, reasoning hallucinations. When you dump huge conversation histories back into an LLM after a long pause, the model frequently just hallucinates intermediate steps that never even happened, completely skipping over crucial human approvals. Let's ground this in a real-world scenario. Think about a standard new hire onboarding process. HR sends a welcome packet, and then we hit a block of idle time. Days pass while we wait for the new employee to sign their paperwork. Then IT provisions an account, and bam, we hit another idle time gap, waiting for a physical laptop to ship to the employee's house. These idle gaps, they are the absolute death of standard chatbots. They just aren't designed to survive this kind of downtime. And this brilliantly illustrates why we desperately need a paradigm shift. So we're looking at 3 architectural shifts with Google's Agent Development Kit, or ADK: durable state machines, event-driven dormancy, and multi-agent delegation. Let's get into it. All right, shift number 1. What actually is a durable state schema? Well, instead of that messy, really unreliable habit of just dumping raw JSON logs into a database, a durable memory schema provides an explicit definition of exactly where the agent is in a workflow at all times. It completely, 100% decouples the agent's current state from the raw historical chat data. To see how this plays out practically, we establish really clear checkpoint constants, something like welcome sent. And by using ADK's tool context.state, these exact variables pass directly into the system instruction. This means Python is automatically filling in the blanks with real data every single time the agent runs. The model never has to dig through old messages and guess where it is. It simply enforces the sequence, making absolutely sure no steps are ever skipped. But look, a state machine is really only durable if it can actually survive a server crash, right? If your container goes down mid-onboarding and you're relying on volatile memory, absolute disaster. Every active workflow is just gone. But with persistent ADK sessions backed by SQLite locally or Cloud SQL in production, changing just one single line of configuration saves every atomic state write directly to disk. If the server goes down, you reboot, and the agent picks up right where it left off, completely intact, like it never even blinked. Now, this brings us to a really critical question. Honestly, it's probably the defining challenge of long-running agents. How on earth do we handle multi-day idle time without just burning through compute resources? Think back to those literal days spent waiting for a human signature in our HR onboarding timeline. Because let's face it, active polling and blocked threads, they just do not scale. You can't sit there wasting expensive compute power endlessly asking, hey, is it signed yet? How about now? Instead, we use event-driven dormancy gates with webhooks. This allows the agent container to truly go to sleep. In a cloud environment, it can even scale all the way down to 0 while it's waiting for that signature, which means it's costing you absolutely nothing. So here is how that resumption elegantly plays out in practice. Step 1, a real-world event, like that much-needed signature, fires a webhook. Step 2, the onboarding resume handler automatically hydrates the persisted session straight from the database. And step 3, the agent wakes up programmatically via a state delta. This atomically applies the state transition before the agent's next inference call. It wakes up knowing exactly where it is, completely bypassing any of that hallucinated history we talked about earlier. All right, so we've got durable state and we've got event-driven dormancy. But as these workflows get more and more complex, it leads us to another big structural question. You might be wondering, why not just stuff all our tools, workflow rules, and instructions into one massive monolithic prompt and call it a day? Well, the answer is pretty stark. Monolithic, single-agent prompts severely degrade reasoning quality over weeks of accumulated state. If you stuff one prompt with dozens of tools, state variables, and intricate rules, the AI simply loses focus. It's like a person trying to juggle 50 balls at once. The cognitive load gets way too high, and the reasoning just gets muddy. So the crucial point here is multi-agent delegation. When your main HR coordinator agent finally hits that documents_signed step, it doesn't try to do the next part itself. It cleanly transfers execution to a highly focused IT subagent. And this subagent has a very narrow toolset specifically designed just for provisioning accounts. It handles its task independently, updates the shared state, and then hands control right back. Keeping prompts narrow and toolsets focused is exactly how you keep reasoning razor sharp over really long timelines. Now, all of this builds into a seriously vital testing phase using golden evaluations. Because obviously, as a developer, you can't just sit around for 2 actual weeks to see if your code accidentally skips a step. With ADK's evaluation sets, you can simulate these multi-day idle delays in literally seconds. You can precede the session state, verify that your pause gates actually hold firm, and slot these golden tests directly into your CI/CD pipelines to catch any state machine regressions the second they happen. Once those evaluations are perfectly green, it's time for the final hurdle, deployment. And by leveraging the agent's CLI coding agent, you can bridge your application right into production smoothly. It scaffolds the Agent Engine app wrapper for you, giving you a beautiful single command deployment. And honestly, the best part? Out of the box, Agent Runtime handles all the auto-scaling. It will scale to 0 during idle time, letting your brand new checkpoint and resume architecture run flawlessly against managed cloud storage. And it does all of that with 0 code changes required. So to summarize everything we've unpacked in this explainer, we are fundamentally transforming agents from these fun little conversational toys into rugged, reliable production background processes. By actually defining explicit state machines, persisting those checkpoints to disk, and utilizing event-driven dormancy, we are completely changing the landscape of what AI can realistically pull off in a complex enterprise environment. I want to leave you with a provocative thought today. What complex, multi-day enterprise workflow are you going to automate next? Whether you're dealing with tedious procurement approvals, drawn-out sales sequences, or a maze of compliance audits, you now have the exact architectural blueprint to do it. So dive into the ADK documentation, define your robust state machine, and let your newly empowered AI agents do the heavy lifting for you, while they literally sleep through the idle time.